2020 Dodge Durango Hemi. Hemi, baby. Nice finish in that beautiful gray color. I love that color on Dodge. My truck is the same color, a little bit darker, but I like it. What we got done on this beast, factory converter there, right there. Then what we did is we took the mid muffler out and installed two LCGPs. Part number right here, thanks to Mr. Tim. I can't even see it. Let me get closer. SHR 2254013. And there he goes. And you can stop with it. And he kicks it. Go! Anyways, there you go. You gotta put two factory aftermarket hangers on it to make a fit. Then we kept the rear resonators the same there and right there. And same tips for now. He's gonna try it out, see how he's gonna like it. If it's too quiet, then we will do something different. But for right now, other than that, it looks factory. And there's the mid muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. That suitcase muffler, took it off. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you like it. We got a 2022 Dodge Durango. Hey, Hemi. Say it. He said it today. Hemi, baby. I love it. And then he coughed. Shh. Quiet on the set, even though we have like tons of construction over there. Quiet on the set. Factory converter. Then we took the mufflers off. It had MagnaFlows on it. Took them off and added DYNOMAX race bullets, and he's competing with me. So I'm gonna start screaming, DYNOMAX race bullets. Then we also added an X pipe to cover for the construction. Then we added an X pipe, two DYNOMAX race bullets, factory pipe in the middle. Then we did a rear delete there and there, and finished it off with some sexy 5-inch rolled black tips to complete the look there and there. And again, they're competing with me. I swear the whole world's against me right now, trying to do this video. But anyways, it's okay. We'll keep going. Durango RT, all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. We appreciate him coming down. We hooked him up, took the two MagnaFlows off. As you guys can see that we're on it. They were way too quiet. We didn't like them. So we updated them. We're about to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2023 Durango Hemi 345 5.7 liter beast. What is it?
Wait, what did you say to begin with?
345. Anyways, as you guys can see, all murdered out. And then he added some chrome accents, which were the tips and the lug nuts. Anyways, what we got done on this beautiful automobile. Cat. Then we did something a little different. We cut the mid muffler off and replaced it with some twister mufflers. They're supposed to cut down on drone. So there they are right there. They're all twisted inside and out. They're made by our good friends at NETAMI Performance Parts. Their part number is NT1018. There'll be a link in the description for them. Then we added an X pipe right there, as you guys can see. True Flow X pipe right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then the 2 1/4 continues out the back on each side. We took those massive resonators off, put pipe in their place there and there, and replaced those ugly small tips with 4.5 inches of pure stainless steel power right there and right there. As you guys can see, came out absolutely magnificent. It's only got like 300 miles on it. He drove it from the dealer to us. He's like, I couldn't take it. It was too quiet. I gotta get it done. So we got him hooked up, guys. And there's the two resonators that go on the back, if you guys ever wondered what they look like. And there's that huge muffler that goes in the center that we took off too. It's dual in, dual out, as you guys can see. And then this is single in, single out. So stay tuned. We're about to let you guys hear it. It's better. Probably get another set for the back. Get another set LCGPs for the back. It's a good starting point, you know. Got a nice rasp to it. Nice sound decibels. Again. Right at 100. Again. Hemi 5.7 RT LCGPs. sounds different. Let you guys hear on the inside.
He started back up.
Wow. I think this is the perfect setup for it, guys. There's sound decibels. Right at 110. Much better? Look at this smile. Thumbs up? Yes, sir. That's how it's supposed to sound.
That's what it's supposed to be.
And with the X-Pipe, it just makes it super cool. No rasp. It's just throaty.
Yeah.
Hey, we got the loud environment. Wow, it's beautiful. Very nice. Sorry for the construction, guys. Let me let you hear it on the inside. Look at that! That sounds good. Sounds real good. The exhaust boys did it again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 105. Nothing crazy, just clean. Very nice. I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Dodge Durango 345 HEMI. HEMI power. All murdered out. Other than the tips to offset it a little bit. I like it. I like it. That sounds phenomenal. That smoke you guys are seeing, that's from the manufacturing oils. Wow, that is a good looking car right there. Yes, sir. Let you guys hear on the inside. Durango RT. 5.7 HEMI. Ah, he's setting up, guys. Let's see. That's not bad at all. Good shifting too. Damn. Heavy. Sorry guys, that's not the car, it's the construction. They're digging. Durango HEMI. Two-door Tahoe, leave it. He's got nothing on it. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna fix it for him. Here we go. Look at them massive 22s. They look good on it too. Sounds phenomenal. Listen to that beast.